Hi, question is given e to the power sin x minus 2 into e to the power minus sin x equal to 2, and you have to find out the number of solution. Here it is not required you find out a solution, you are just find out number of solution. We will start this question with a basic question which you have already done in your school. A to the power x plus a to the power minus x equals to 2. In this question, e to the power sin x minus 2 into e to the power minus sin x equal to 2. This is your given equation. Just put e to the power sin x equal to t. Then you have given the equation t minus 2 by t equal to 2. Let's solve it. Then t square minus 2 equal to 2 into t, or it can be written as t square minus 2t minus 2 equal to 0. This is a simple quadratic equation you have just passed here. Now you can solve this equation for t equal to minus of minus 2 minus b square means minus 2 square minus 4 into minus of 2 into 1 divided by 2. Here you will find value 2 minus under root 4 plus 8 divided by 2. This is written as 2 minus under root 12 divided by 2, and more simplification, sorry, here plus minus. For more simplified, you will get 2 plus 2 root 3 divided by plus minus root 3 equal to 2, or it is written as 1 plus minus root 3. This is your solution for t, but you have supposed t equal to e to the power sin x. Now first just see it, e to the power sin x, exponential e to the power x, exponential function. It means e to the power sin x must be greater than 0, means e to the power sin x never be negative, first condition. And second, for sin x, you know the maximum value and minimum value of sin x. Sin x maximum and minimum, minus 1 minimum value and plus 1 is the maximum value. So the power of sin, the power of e is will be vary from minus 1 to 1. So if you take e to the power 1 means 2.1.73 certain value. So maximum value of LHS e to the power sin x, this is the LHS. The maximum value of sin x will be this. But if you see this equation, if you take plus sign, means e to the power sin x equal to 1 plus root 3, means 1 plus 1.732, this is equal to 2.732. Here your value will lie other than more than 2.173. so for 1 plus root 3 you have no solution. For 1 plus root 3 you have no solution. Again, if we take value of 1 minus root 3, then what will be the value? Sin x equal to 1 minus root 3, means 1 minus 1.732. This is negative value of minus 0.732, and we know e to the power x means exponential function, always greater than 0. So LHS and RHS never meet. So here we also can write no solution. So this equation have no solution. So you can tick out your answer which is given here. Option B is correct. Thank you.